Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If you're an African creator, particularly from Nigeria, and you just reached the monetization milestone on YouTube, I want to say a big congratulations to you because that is not a small feat you just achieved. But now comes the big question for you. How should you receive your payments? How should you receive your payments? Should you use a dollar account or a Naira account for your YouTube earnings? Trust me, this decision can significantly impact your earnings and your access to funds. I mean, the access to the money you make on YouTube. So, as a seasoned YouTuber, I'll be sharing with you the differences, the pros, and the cons for Nigerian creators. Are you ready, guys? Awesome. So, if you are new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinoso, and right here, I share with you tips and tricks on how you can make money on the internet and how to get better results with your internet marketing activities. So, if this is your first time on this channel, ensure to like this video, ensure to subscribe to this channel, and also ensure to drop a comment if you got value watching this video. Awesome. So let's start right away, guys. So once you are monetized on YouTube, your earnings coming through Google AdSense. Your earning coming through Google AdSense, and it comes in US dollars. And now, the way you receive your payouts from this Google AdSense depends on what you link to your AdSense. Peradventure, if you linked a dollar account to your AdSense or you linked a Naira account to your AdSense. So a dollar account can actually be in form of a domiciliary account or a virtual account. Hope you are getting the point, guys. So each option has their own disadvantages and advantages. They have their own drawbacks and advantages, especially for Nigerian creators. You know, over here we are navigating exchange rates, bank charges, even restrictions, government policies. Do you understand? So, but then I'll be explaining these things further for you so you get to know the differences, the pros and cons of using a Naira account or a dollar account. So let me start by defining these accounts to you. I know you're a beginner in this aspect of monetization, so you might not really understand what a domiciliary account means. So let me break it down for you and explain everything into details. So a dollar account is usually a domiciliary account. That's what a dollar account is. It is a domiciliary account in form of or an account that comes from a Nigerian banks. For example, all these UBA banks, GT banks, Zenith Bank, all those Nigerian banks. Do you understand? So these are what we call domiciliary accounts. Now, a virtual account are from all these fintech companies like GigPay, UruPay, and the likes. Do you get the point? So when you operate with a fintech dollar account, it allows you to also receive your money and keep the earning in US dollars. So now let's move on to the Naira account. I sure you know that already. So a Naira account is like all these standard local bank accounts, like all these normal accounts that you have right now. So the thing about the Naira account is that when you get your USD earning from YouTube, it gets automatically converted to Naira for you before it lands into your Naira account. So I guess you get that, right? The fintech one or the dollar account, they hold the money for you in dollars. Like the money gets to be held in dollars for you. But if you're using a local account, the money gets converted for you into Naira before it lands into your account. So that's like a little difference, but then I'll be giving you guys more differences so you get to like choose which one is best for you, which one is better for you. So speaking about the differences or talking about the differences, the very first factor we want to consider, the very first factor we should consider is the exchange rate, the conversion and exchange rate. So with a dollar account, your YouTube earnings remain in USD. Your YouTube earning remains in USD until when you choose to go and convert them yourself. So that implies you can go and withdraw USD and exchange it at the black market rate using all these Aboki FX. So that gives you the flexibility to exchange it at an higher rate because you are converting it using the black market rate. Don't worry, you get to understand better now. So with a Naira account, your bank automatically converts those USD earnings to Naira for you at the official rate. Are you seeing the differences now? So if it's a dollar account, you go and convert it yourself at the black market rate. If it's a Naira account, the banks convert it for you at the official rate. One is the black market rate, the other one is the official rate. And if you should check Google right now, just check what is the conversion rate of Naira to dollar using the official rate and what is the conversion rate of Naira to dollar using the black market rate. Go and check it right now. You get to see that the black market rate is always higher than the official rate. So it means whoever uses a dollar account gets to earn more. The person gets to earn more. That's the very first major difference between using a Naira account and using a dollar account. So now let's look at other pros and cons. Let's look at other pros and cons. So dollar accounts often have higher maintenance and withdrawal fees. They usually have higher maintenance and withdrawal fees. And that is why a lot of YouTubers usually tend to fall back to virtual accounts because their maintenance fees and withdrawal fee are usually very, very low compared to the domiciliary account. So it means if you are considering creating a dollar account for yourself, you can even start with a virtual account because that's help you save more money than even using the domiciliary account with our standard banks right here in Nigeria. Do you get the point, guys? And why a Naira account typically have lower maintenance costs, but the issue with them is that you are faced with high conversion fees and less favorable exchange rates every time you get your payouts from YouTube. So I guess you get the second differences now. A dollar account usually have high maintenance rates, high withdrawal fees, while a Naira account usually have low maintenance rates and low withdrawal fees. Only that you are faced with high conversion fee when they convert your money for you from dollar to Naira. So that's the second pro and con of using either Naira or dollar account. So here's my advice for you. If you are an African creator, particularly a Nigerian, a dollar account is generally the better option for you if you wish to maximize your earning. Do you want to know why? Alright, so with a dollar account, you get to gain more control over exchange rates and you get to protect your money against Naira devaluation. I guess you understand that part, right? However, if you are new and you are a small YouTuber, like you are still earning very small amount of money, you can start with a Naira account so as to avoid the hassle of opening a domiciliary account. If you want to go and create a domiciliary account now, they'll be requesting for a lot of documents. So it's a bit stressful, but then it's worth it at the end. So if you can navigate that stress, go ahead and create a dollar account for yourself as a small YouTuber. But if you're a big YouTuber, trust me, it's worth all the stress. You don't want to be losing a chunk of your money to the bank. But regardless, if you actually choose to use a Naira account, I strongly suggest that as you grow, ensure you switch to a dollar account, even if it's a virtual one. Well, it's left to you to choose which one align with your goals. But then don't let poor exchange rates cut into your earning too much. So guys, have you received your YouTube payments in dollar or Naira account before? Share your experience in the comment section. Let's help each other grow. And if this video was helpful for you, ensure to hit the like button, ensure to subscribe to my channel, and tap the bell notification so you can always get YouTube tips from this channel. I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye guys.